An array is a group of objects or a collection of objects. We can store different types of objects in an array. It could be numbers, strings, dates, etc. For example, here is an array which has three different types in it: an integer number, a string, and a decimal point number. There are three different ways in which we can create arrays. You will learn those three ways in this lecture, and you will learn various useful methods that array provides in the next few lectures. Go to your editor, copy the last program, paste it, change the title to array creation. Within the script block, to create an array where a is equal to, use the new operator and the type, which is array. The new operator is an inbuilt operator in JavaScript used to create objects of a particular type. In this case, it is array type. And within the brackets, you can initialize the array with values 2, 4.54 or 56, within double quotes, Bharath. I am using my name. You are welcome to put your name there. Once we have an array, to display the array, use document.write. Give the name of the array plus add a line break. Save it as array.html. Open this in web browser, and the contents of the array are shown as comma separated values. To find out the length of the array gives us a property called a.length, and this has the length of the array, which should be 3. There are 3 elements in the array, so the length is 3. To access individual elements, we can do it using the index of each element. Document.write a of, within square brackets, if I want to access 2, I will use the index 0. The index always starts from 0. If we access 2, we should get 4.56. And if you access 1, then you will get 4.56. And if you give the index as 2, then you will get this string. A of 0 plus, within double quotes, space, plus a of 1 plus a of 2, add a space in between so that you can see it clearly on the web browser. Within square brackets, the index should be passed. Go back, refresh, and you will see the 3 different values here. This time they are not comma separated, they are individual array elements. The second way to create an array where b is equal to, instead of using the new operator, you can directly provide the values in a square bracket, 2, 4.56, within double quotes, Bharath. Save it, document.write b, and that will display the values of array b here. So add a line break at the end of the previous document.write br. If you want to, within double quotes here, you can give a message array b : just to separate it out, plus b. And array b is 2, 4.56 and Bharath. The second way is to create it directly by initializing the array using square brackets. The last and final way, where c is equal to new array. Instead of providing the values directly during creation, you are using the new operator to create a new array, but it is blank when it is created. There are no values in it. It is empty. To provide values, use c of 0. The index is equal to 2. C of 1 is equal to 4.56. And finally, C of 2 is equal to, within double quotes, Bharath. Copy this document.write, paste it, array C, and print out the contents of C. And array C once again is 2, 4.56, Bharath. Add a line break here. Refresh. In this lecture, you have learnt what arrays are and the 3 different ways in which you can create arrays. That is by passing the values when you use the new operator, directly by using square brackets and providing the values. Third, create an empty array and then initialize that array using the indexes of the array.